Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you watched the previous video you'll know the compound was a bit gritty on the new to me Raglan lathe, so I thought I'd address that. And it turns out it has got quite a bit of backlash, but it turns out the brass bush or bronze or whatever it is in here was worn out. So I thought, I'll make a brass one, take that out, make a brass one, which I did, but I got overzealous with the hammer and the punch and forgot there was a grub screw under here, and ended up snapping this cast housing completely in half. So just welded it back together again to get the lathe going, and the brass bush works a treat now. No more grittiness, but obviously I've got to make a new one of them, a new housing. I got a bit too keen with the grinder and ended up ruining that surface there, so not the end of the world, because I put a brass washer in there to smoothen it all out, smoothing the action out, so that's good. But I need to make a new one of them. That leads me on to the project for this video, which is getting the, is it an MCO? I think it's an MCO. Well, anyhow, I've got to get the milling machine going. So clean all that up in this video, guys. I've done a bit of work on it already. This housing, or whatever you want to call it, this carries the motor connects the motor to the main body. That was loose, so I took the pulley off, tightened all the bolts up. I've already done that. I'll clean it now, guys, and then I'm going to install that onto the bench here. It's not going to be its permanent place. Eventually it will go here on a stand. But I need to get rid of the garage door. That's what the steel's for. So for now, but I can't take that job on just yet because it's going to take me more than a weekend. So for now it's going to go on here, and we'll get on with that in this video. Now that's cleaned up, and it's cleaned up well, so get it split in half now and then put it on the bench, and then we'll run it up. I use a lift mate yet. Alright guys, that's the milling machine all set up and sorted out. I've just run it up a little bit now, and well, it does have some issues. The bearing, I think that's on its way out because it's getting a bit warm, so I'll probably need a new one of them. But anyhow, I'll just give you a quick demonstration of the milling machine now. I've got what I think is a fly cutter, I'm not sure. It's got a bit of high speed steel in, so I've sharpened that, and we'll attempt to face this bit off here. yeah, I'm suited with that, guys. It was a really good finish, and you couldn't set it up in lathe and do it as quick as that. That's a good finish without even knowing what I'm doing. So if any of you got any suggestions or ideas about the Warco milling machine, guys, or milling in general, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.